I have the Galaxy A54 5G, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add or how to enable timestamps for photos taken with this phone, so that anytime you take a photo, it's gonna add a date and timestamp. So what you need to do is go into the camera app and then tap on the settings icon in the top left corner, and then go to Watermark. From the camera settings, tap on Watermark, tap on that. First thing you have to do is enable Watermark, okay? And then choose the watermark you want. You have the option to have the model name and then date and time. But if you don't want the model name, you can uncheck that and only remain with date and time, okay? So you can see the preview here of what that's going to look like. If you want to, you can also change the font. So you have 3 fonts to choose from. You can choose the alignment. Currently by default it's in the bottom left corner. You can have it in the middle if you want, or you can have it to the right hand side if you want. And then once you're happy, just hit the back button all the way back to the home screen. And from now on, every time you take a photo with your Galaxy A54, let's take a photo of this box quickly. All photos will now have a watermark, okay? So you can see it right there in the bottom right corner of the photo. All photos will have watermarks, including selfies, okay? So let me take a selfie. There you go, with a watermark at the bottom there. And that's basically how to add watermarks, or rather how to add timestamps to your photos in your Galaxy A54. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.